ka naman na gano'n. Naga naman tawag dyan. Sa Molapisa.
Dude, that's it?
Miraculous.
That's it.
That's it?
That's it, Steve. No more. In the Philippines, 1 hour. 1 hour.
Oh, I mean, what they're doing here. This won't be a big one because this is only times Spruce Road.
Okay.
City of Edmonton is a big one. That's downtown Edmonton.
Oh.
Higher!
Ay, mababa.
Actually, they are quite low.
Yeah, slow.
Wala eh. What's up, eh?
Higher, please.
Oh, yun. Mga 10 minutes lang ito. 5 minutes.
That's it. Bye.
Oh, no.
I won't be it.
Ayun!
It's the last one.
Nice! Man, Steve.
Why
Another
are
one.
you telling me? I'm not doing this.
You're a fan of fireworks?
What's that?
You're a fan of fireworks, bro?
They're alright, yeah.
Oh, nice.
I like when they do really cool ones. These ones are kind of plain.
Yeah, it's so plain, eh? Like slow, low budget.
Like this, yeah. This is the kind of stuff I could do out of my
Yeah,
backyard.
like your acreage.
Then one fireworks there, it will gonna appear the Canada flag. Nice!
More, higher.
And that's it.
Bye. Oh, why so slow? Why so low? We wait for 5 hours on this.
Okay.
Bye!
Oh no!
Oh, that's 3 minutes of fireworks.
You know, in Calgary every year they have a competition. And they actually
Oh, that's nice.
a bunch of different countries come. So that one actually costs.
Let's go slow.
Oh, it's awesome!
God!
Make it exaggerated.
He is so easily impressed.
Wow!
Wow! That's awesome!
That's what happens when you make love to your wife. So you're used to exaggeration. Okay, alright. I understand
Let's
that.
keep
now.
going.
Oh no, that's wonderful!
Oh,
Wow!
that's nice!
Very nice.
Then that's it.
Okay.
You don't know when it's gonna.
Another one.
Waiting for the big one.
We are waiting for the
Still
final,
waiting for the final big one.
Wow! Wow!
That's it, Steve.
That's awesome! Wow! Beautiful!
Previous Canada Day, people are uploading. Now, this seems sad.
Wow! That's very nice! Beautiful! Amazing! See, you didn't hear me.
Oh my God.
Again and again. Wow! Ano na dyan? You didn't see them there? Oh no! Oh no! Oh, it's higher! Higher!
Higher!
More higher! Another one! Excellent!
He has a problem. That's all we know.
Amazing fireworks.
Oh, that's the
How
finale.
they do that? Wow. Wow.
Maybe because of fire ban. Make it lower.
Nice! And nice! And nice! Wow! See? What a beautiful wow! Wow! You see that? You see that?
Yes, I saw. I'm really excited.
More coming, more! More!
You realize you're being recorded this whole time.
Oh yeah.
There's no more. It's gone.
I miss you.
Oh, it's another one! A big one.
How we know that's the last?
I have no idea.
It's a little bit more higher.
Oh, I guess that's the signal.
It's the signal, it's done.
Banging from the fireworks.
Wow, Gaga, see? Beautiful.
Firemen are on standby.
Yes, it is. They legally have to pay for them to be there.
I'm still waiting for the big one. Yeah, the drone ones. Much better.
No idea about grand ones.
Maybe you go to Sylvan Lake next time.
Nice.
Oh, that's the last one.
Happy New Year!
Another one. Another one. And another one. And another one. And another one. And more coming. More and more and more and more and more.
Very nice, Jaja.
Wow! Is that amazing? Wow! Nice. Nice. And nice. Wow! 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 It's coming fast! Wow!
Oh, it's finale! It looks like screensaver. It's a screensaver.
Wow! And another one! And another one! And another one! And another one! Wow!
There you go.
More!
Why are you asking me? I have no clue.
More!
Ah,
Oh, that's it.